are today Winton School. I'm Breana. Welcome to N.E.W.S News for Friday, the 2nd of April.
Great to see everyone dressed up and donating gold coins to the Port Villa International School Library.
Well done, Winton School. All money raised goes to a great cause.
Okay, Rapere means basketball practice on, so listen up.
All year 7 to 8 teams meet Mr. Tucker on the basketball court at lunchtime.
Okay, there's not much news today, so let's get into te kupu o te wiki. This week's word is Aranga, which is te reo for Easter!
Hi, VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
A big load of birthdays over the holidays, but let's start with Narzyna Mansell, who turned 7 yesterday. Happy birthday, Narzyna!
And Jacob Stuck turned 6. Happy birthday, Jacob!
Over the break, Charlotte illwrick and Amelia Phillips turned 6.
Ngaarrgii Walker turned 7.
Ollie Davis, Carly Shirt and Case Hooper turned 8.
Beth Anderson and Matthew Mansell turned 9.
Casey Simpson and Ryan Anderson and Richard Meaching turned 11.
That's me!
Yeah.
Jack Kincaid and Regan Waldron turned 12.
And Nicole Davis and Jackson Stewart turned 13.
Happy birthday, everyone. Ra whānau kai koutou.
Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in.
From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, have a great holiday.
Haere rā, Winton School.